All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing provides expert metal roofing repair in Media, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses maintain the durability and performance of their metal roofing systems. Over time, metal roofs can develop issues such as leaks, corrosion, loose panels, or damaged fasteners. Our experienced team quickly identifies problems and delivers effective repairs using high-quality materials and proven techniques. Prompt metal roof repair helps extend the lifespan of your roof, improve energy efficiency, and prevent costly damage. Trust All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing in Media, Pennsylvania for reliable metal roofing repair services that restore protection, performance, and long-term value. Call us today. All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a metal roofing repair near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing. Is metal roofing repair better than replacement? If damage is minor or localized, repair is often more cost-effective than replacement. All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing in Media, Pennsylvania evaluates your roof condition and provides honest recommendations based on long-term value and performance. How much does metal roofing repair cost? The cost depends on roof size, extent of damage, and materials required. All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing offers transparent pricing for metal roofing repair in Media, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners understand cost before repairs begin. What is your service office for metal roofing repair? Media, Pennsylvania? Our local metal roofing repair Media, Pennsylvania office has served Media, Glen Mills, Paoli, Malvern, Garnet Valley, Nether Providence Township, Swarthmore, Morton, Springfield, Broomall, Havertown, Newtown Square, Haverford, Wayne, Villanova, Radnor, Ardmore, Wynwood, Narberth, Westchester, Pennsylvania. Where is your All Pro Home Improvement and Roofing located? We are located at 11 West Front Street, Media, Pennsylvania 19063. Our phone number is 484-759-9206. Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/mediapa.